So we also have some groups recorded, so let's look at how we edit those groups. Editing a group is best done in blind, since when you bring a group up live, you actually are bringing up live channels to build other queues and or subs, so there really is no good place in live to change a group. So let's go into blind, and again, that's our button right next to stage. And blind mode actually operates universally for queues as well as groups and subs. But for right now, let's look at groups. And the way to look at groups in blind is once I've pushed blind, I can hit my group button. And my command prompt will tell me to recall a group, select the number, but that's not what I'm actually going to do. I want to create or modify a group, so I select the number and press enter. I want to make a change to group 1, for instance. So I say group 1, enter. Now I have a channel display just like I did for my queue in blind, and I can see that group 1 has a various number of channels, and they are at various levels. For instance, 13, 14, and 15 are at full. Let's say I want to make a change to those. I hit channel 13 through 15 at, let's just say 85%. And again, I have the very obnoxious not recorded, which reminds me to do what? To record this group. So I hit record, enter. Now you can see that I have updated 13, 14, and 15 at 85%. So if I go back to stage display by pushing my stage button, and I say group 1 at level, you'll see that 13, 14, and 15 are now at 85%. And that is how you edit a group in blind on the Express console.